kids wanted to go home. Now they had a birthday party to go to. They missed out on. Fonzo's daughter's birthday party. Yeah, it's his party. The birthday girl go. Come here. Come here. You gotta turn it around. Turn it around. Turn it on up. Flip it over. Flip it over. Yeah. There you go. She don't know what she's doing. Let me check. All right, we out. Let me see it. What you got going on? Monkey in a tree. Is you the monkey?
No.
Who is? That's your sister up there.